Here's a really interesting colorful halftone effect that I never knew of here in Illustrator. So let's take a look how to make this. Alright, so step number 1, I gotta select the shape, I gotta select the star, and I gotta press Ctrl Shift to create a star. And as you can see, this is a live shape if you have your Illustrator updated. So that means basically you can customize from these little circles. And from here you can increase the spikes or decrease the spikes. But I gotta go like this. I gotta select the direct selection tool and just drag these little circles. And wow. And of course, if you scale it from here, it's gonna make a different stuff. Alright, so I can increase the stroke thickness. Now we're gonna add some gradient. Also make sure that you're on the fill. So the fill is on the top here. Now we're gonna go to the gradients. We're gonna activate the gradient. And we're going to go to the appearance. If you don't have the appearance, you can go to Windows and select the appearance, which is right here. Now let's go and select the fill. And we're going to go to the effects. Let's go to pixelate and select color halftone. Make sure the channel 1, 2, 3, 4 is on 50, 50, 50, 50. And I'm going to go with the max radius, somewhere around 20. Click OK, and this is how you make the basic halftone gradients. Now if you want to make the circle smaller, you can go to color halftone right here, click on it and reduce it. I gotta go with 14, click OK, and voila. You can press the letter G, and this way you can manipulate the halftone. But for us, we're gonna test out something new. So we're gonna go to the gradient, go all the way up here, and select freeform gradient. And you already can see that it has some color going on in here. So we got 2 circles. You're gonna need to zoom in to see them. And you also can increase or decrease. I'm gonna decrease them, and you can double click and change up the color. So for example, I'm gonna go with a purple, and look at that. And I'm gonna double click on this one, probably select a yellow, and then click somewhere here to add a new one. Actually, there's also another one here. This one is, wow, check this out. This one is a blue. I was thinking to add some cyan, but I gotta double click and maybe choose something else. And you can grab them around, and there you go. It looks like some colorful halftone disco gradients, which is pretty dope. So this was it. Thanks for watching.